Good morning, students. Today I am going to start lesson number 14. I had liked to be a lighthouse. Lesson number 14. This is the story of a lighthouse. Today I am going to explain this. This is actually a poem. After seeing this image, you understand that how the story and what the story of this lighthouse tower be. In this image, you see this picture of a lighthouse. I had liked to be a lighthouse. I scrubbed and painted white. I had liked to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. As this is a poem, so four lines are called it as a one stanza. This is about the story of a lighthouse. I had liked to be a means this lighthouse says really I like to be a lighthouse. Because after scrubbed means always if we want to make a lighthouse smoothly, so we have to scrub it, polish it, smooth it. Scrubbed means we have to remove the roughness of that lighthouse, and afterwards it painted white. So here it mentions that I scrubbed means after preparing a lighthouse, it was roughly scrubbed and made it as a completely soft one, smooth one. If you just touch with your hands, so your fingers can smoothly move, and afterwards it is painted with a white in color. I had liked to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. What happens when we will sleep in our homes? This lighthouse always awake whole night and stands as it is. Stay awake there only, will not move anywhere. Why? Because he got a duty to stand as it is and to give the light to the nearby areas wherever we actually put that lighthouse. To keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. To keep means this lighthouse says that I kept over there to keep watch on everything. When that lighthouse is on the pointed area, so with the rays of a light, with the focus of that light, all can find out their way. Patch of sea, when the boats and big ships sails on the sea, many times they will not get the navigation. Navigation means indications. They won't find the proper way because of the darkness. When we get inside the water, all over you find the water. So do you find that where is the North Pole and South Pole, East or West? No. All the four sides we find only water. So which direction our ship or boats is sails? By the help of the compass of direction we comes to know. But towards that, when the boats and ships sails, it continuously gives a patch of sea, means a focus, and completely lights rays it shows to the ships who all are watching this lighthouse. Here the lighthouse is a tower. Lighthouse is a tower, and it is a building of tall structure. Look at this picture. ये एक बिल्डिंग के जैसा बहुत लंबा है, ये लाइट हाउस है. And it actually made near the seashore. The structure this you are watching now in this image is near the seashore. From this lighthouse, big beams or flashes, means big focus lights flash, are thrown out all over. Nowadays you will find in the cities also, in the corners, in the middle of the roads where all the sides, corners are there, 4. So you big this one lighthouses and big light towers are built to pass the rays of the light all the 4 sides, and these beams helps the ships to at the sea to navigate means to get the indication to find their way across the sea, because in the night overall it is completely dark. How this how these boats and ships are going to get their way? They can tell the ships that there is a part nearby, now you are safe, you can go nearby the port, or you can out be from the dangerous way rocks under the sea. एक लाइट हाउस होता है जो कि पूरा रास्ता बताता है एक शिप को, बोट को. जब शिप या बोट पानी में एक बहुत बड़े समुंदर में उतरता है तो लाइट के फोकस से ही चलता है, उसको एक ये इंडिकेशन दिखाता है कि हाँ ये तुम्हारा सही रास्ता जा रहा है. कंपास दिखाता है डायरेक्शन कि तुम नॉर्थ में चल रहे हो कि साउथ में, बट तुम कितने सेफ हो ये लाइट ही बता सकती है. ये लाइट इतनी जरूरी रहती है कि इससे पूरा उनका वे क्लियर रहता है, बोट्स या शिप्स का बहुत बड़े बड़े, कि तुम पोर्ट यानी सी शोर, जहाँ पे सी शोर आता है तो वहां पे पोर्ट रहता है जहां पर ये लोग बोट और शिप्स खड़े रहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पोर्ट. जैसे कि एयरपोर्ट, बस स्टॉप, रेलवे स्टेशन, सो इनका भी पोर्ट रहता है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लाइट हाउस दे गेट इंडिकेशंस कि हाँ अभी यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा डेंजर, एक बहुत बड़े बड़े ऐसे पत्थर रखे वाले हैं, तो सी में वही सब दिखाती है लाइट. आप लोगों ने मूवी टाइटैनिक देखा होगा, जैसे कि वो थोड़ा सा उससे टकरा क्या गया तो पूरी आज टाइटैनिक गई. तो ऐसे ही सेम ये लाइट की वजह से ये शिप्स और बड़े बड़े जो बोट्स हैं ये बच सकते हैं डेंजरस से, क्योंकि ये इनको पूरा वे दिखाता है कि हाँ यहाँ पर ये आगे दूर तक ये पत्थर आने वाला है तो आप थोड़ा सा वे चेंज कर लो. अगर लाइट नहीं रहता था तो इतने बड़े समंदर में बोट्स और शिप्स अपना वे कैसे तय कर पाते थे. So in days of old, modern means of communication like radio, mobile phones, internet were not available to people to find out the proper communication. आज के जमाने में सब कुछ है, टीवी है, रेडियो है, इंटरनेट है, सैटेलाइट के थ्रू से हमको हर एक चीज हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि कौन सी चीज कहाँ पर पहुंची है. लेकिन पहले कुछ भी पता नहीं चलता था. तब कम्युनिकेशन हमारा बहुत इतना मॉडर्न नहीं हुआ था, और आजकल इतना अच्छा हो गया है कि हम हर एक चीज पहचान सकते हैं. So therefore, the warning signals of the lighthouse were very useful to ships. They give us the indications that now the way the which ship and boat is followed is little bit dangerous, can turn their way. Such type of warning signals are now easy to get, and these are very helpful to ships. And in this today's age, radios, TVs, internet, satellite services. Many more facilities are available to ships, aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or sky. Really, it is effective for them to find out the proper way, proper guidelines, you can say. So, this is about the story of a lighthouse, which looks like a tower of a building. It is very tall in structure and it is built on the seashores. And this light actually gives the big beams or flashes. Flashes means focus, बहुत बड़े बड़े फोकस रहते हैं इनके लाइट के, जो कि दूर दूर तक दिखाते हैं शिप्स को, इंडिकेशन देते हैं कि कौन सा रास्ता सही है जो तुम जा रहे हो, वो तुम्हारे लिए कितना सेफ है और कौन सा रास्ता तुम्हारे लिए डेंजरस है जाकि तुम पत्थरों से ना टकराओ. सो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. पुराने जमाने में ये सैटेलाइट से कम्युनिकेशंस नहीं रहा करते थे, फोन्स, मोबाइल्स, इंटरनेट ये सब नहीं रहता था. तब पीपल्स को बहुत तकलीफ जाती थी और आजकल के पीरियड में ये सारी चीज अवेलेबल है, तो हम बिल्कुल पता लगा सकते हैं कि कौन सी शिप कौन से समुद्र में कहाँ तक पहुंची है या कौन सा एरोप्लेन स्काई में फ्लाई कर रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंटरनेट navigation. So this is about the story of I had liked to be a lighthouse. This is a poem. Students, if you are having any doubt, you can put me a message. Read this poem. Write down the hard words of this poem in your notebook. Okay? So thank you all of you for listening me. Have a nice day.